Hey guys, it's me again. I want to show y'all something I swear by. As you hear in the background, the microwave is going. We got corn. You put your corn in the microwave for 10 minutes, as you hear me doing right now in the background. And if you do it that way, you can pull off the shucks and everything comes off of it. It's ready to eat, because look here. You see this? This corn is now ready to eat. I'll show you. See, this batch right here just came out of the microwave. So, it's kind of hard right now because I have my phone with me. And I want to show everybody this idea because turn it around. I think y'all can see me better this way because I'm on my cell phone. So, here goes. Ow! See? This is what happens. I burnt myself because I just cooked the corn not shucked in the microwave, and you know, I'm still letting the other corns shuck for like 10 minutes on there. So everybody that doesn't believe me, here it goes. Here's an ear corn, and because it's really hot, I'm doing it with a washcloth. And a little messy too. It's still got 6 minutes on it. But let it cool for a minute when you get it out. See? Look here how the silks are coming off the corn. You see this? And like when this happens, your corn's gonna be ready to eat. So bear with me. I'm gonna do just this one ear. I got a bunch of ears, but I don't want to do all the ears on it. So and it probably works easier to do this idea if you got the corn like fresh out, which honestly you need to let it cool because it'll burn your hand, as you just seen me do a minute ago. So, and look at that nice ear corn. Yeah. See, look. And look here, we'll take this off. This corn's ready to eat, everybody. Here goes, guys. Looky here at this really cool looking ear of corn. It's clean and it's cooked. That's the goal of this video. Show you guys how to cook corn the right way when you get it out of your garden. And something else. Really good. Thanks. Bye.